Meaning of feverishly.
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 Feverishly. Feverishly means to do something with intense or obsessive urgency and energy. When someone is doing something feverishly, they are putting all their effort into it, often to the point of exhaustion. It can be seen as a state of extreme focus and determination, often in pursuit of a goal or outcome. This intense pressure and urgency can result in both positive and negative outcomes, depending on the situation. Sometimes, being feverish can lead to outstanding achievements, while in other cases, it can result in burnout and mistakes.